Welcome back, everybody, to Spangler the Angler Nation here. Out on the East River Pool down Lighthouse Road towards the lighthouse next to St. Mark's. And I've got my son, Devin.
Hi.
And we got Eddie over there out in the distance. And we're just doing a little freshwater fishing today. Hopefully we'll hook up on some bass and brim or the target species. And you know, one fish each and we'll be happy, all said and done. So give us a thumbs up to wish us that luck. Comment down below if you're new. Just let me know where you're from. I'd like to know who's watching, where from, and share with your friends, family, all that good stuff. If you're new to it, subscribe, don't cost a thing. And I think later on I will record my thoughts on how I'm going to give away a free shirt once the shirts come in with the Spangler the Angler logo and so forth. So stand by for that. Watch the rest of this video so you can find out how you can enter to win a free shirt. And we'll catch you later. Cast, Devin. Uh-oh, I think I had one biting. I think I had one pick up. Get it right back in that spot. Good cast, Devin. Just film it. Worm? Oh yeah. I had a purple worm, Texas rig. Sweet deal. Right here, Bubba. There we go. We got one, folks. We're in business. Devin's my cameraman right now. We didn't have the camera on for the hookup, but look at that bad boy. We had the Texas rig, a little purple worm, nothing too special. Just cast close to the edge of the grass line. There's some rocks around too, so he's taking up on some structure. Good solid fish. So hey, stay tuned. Hopefully we can get a couple more. I appreciate you watching. Sorry I'm having to squat. My son's looking around. He's having a good time out here. That's probably why. So, hey, right on. We're gonna weigh him up as well. See how much he might weigh here. All right, and let's make sure this is cleared out. It's cleared out, so that's good. Should be a couple pounds. Let's take it for a a second here. I got it, buddy. And we're looking at 2.5. Not too bad. Good sized bass. Looking good. We're on the board. Didn't get skunked. What's up, everybody? So before I hooked up on the bass, we actually moved locations. We were down at the East River Pool towards the lighthouse, and then we moved down to St. Mark's River, and this is our playground for right now, out on the river here. And just seeing if we can make a few things happen for us. So stay tuned, and appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up, comment down below, you like freshwater fishing or saltwater fishing better? Or, hey, you know what? It's so hard for me to decide. Sometimes I just gotta blend in where it goes out into the Gulf, and I gotta do both in one day. So, and that's that, you know, bring tackle for both, simple stuff, and make it happen. Keep on watching. Hopefully we can provide some more entertainment for you. Let you guys enjoy. All right, so we taking ourselves a little lunch break. Having the old good old PB&J. My wife can put a mean peanut butter jelly sandwich together. Thanks, Lisa. Delicious. All right, well, hey, look, I'm at one bass. It's midday. Sun's right above us. They're probably laying a little low. They'll get a little more active here in a little while. Hopefully we can wait it out and cast a few more. Somebody's probably trying to reach out to me right now, and see if we can't make things happen. But until then, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my lunch. Grab yourself some lunch, and I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. Hopefully we got some more stuff coming for you. Oh, and before I forget, what is the one drink I typically have with me in all my videos? If you can answer that, I want you to comment below. And also, comment below, and then I'll reach back out to you, and we'll figure out all those that comment below and guess it right. I'll put your names in a hat for a drawing for the free shirt, Spangler the Angler fishing shirt. And then we'll get in contact with you about email or something else to figure out addresses and so forth. I don't want you to be putting all that business underneath the comments, that's for certain. So just guess, what drink do I typically have with me on all my fishing adventures? Comment below and tell me what you think. What drink do I have? If you get it right, I'll put your name in the basket. We'll draw names. I'll reach out to you, get you a free fishing shirt. Stay tuned. Webb's hooked up. He just hollered at me. He's got a fish on the line. Fish on, come on now. Get him in. I don't know how much you guys can see from here, but we're gonna get over there. See if we can't assist him if we need to. Looks like a pretty decent sized bass. Yeah, good job. What was I saying earlier, Devin? That I had a tree spot, didn't I? There you go. There he is. He got one. We're coming to take a look. Get you on film here. Oh.
I didn't think I had anything on there. He didn't really take it.
Yeah, he just kind of.
And I was like, maybe it's grass. I pulled. I sat there and it ding ding. You know,
Nice.
I reeled and he just sat there.
Yeah.
When he got closer, then he started to fight.
Near the tree area.
Yeah.
Yeah. I usually catch one right here.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
Closer when I started.
Nice. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Look at that. Sweet. Nice. Hey,
yeah, you want them?
Yeah, I'll
you
take
can have
them.
'em, man.
Sweet deal.
Hey, I got one on here.
Do you?
Yeah.
All right, Devin. Dev.
What?
Don't know. Put your pole down. Put your pole down. Mr. Webb's gone. Don't do any slack. You gotta keep reeling. Okay?
Come here.
Shoot. Keep reeling. Even when he gives it to you, you gotta reel. Reel, 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 reel. Don't get any slack. There you go, buddy. Reel him in, buddy. Keep him going. Nice and easy. There you go. Come on, bring him over here. Yeah, look at that. Sweet. Bring him over here, Devin.
Yeah, here. Yes.
There you go, Devin. Now,
Good job, bud.
open that bail. Put some slack. Oh, get the line out over me. Good job, buddy. Dang, hold on. Let me let go of what I had in my hand already. That's awesome. Now,
Good job, dude.
so thank you.
Thank you.
We'll get that out in just a minute. Hold him by the lip here. He's got little teeth. Don't worry about that. It won't hurt. Put your thumb in here like that and hold him good. You got him? Hold him up.
He's not gonna hurt you.
He's not. Here, let me get this ready. You ready, Dev?
Yeah.
All right. Hold him up a little higher. There you go, and show his side body. So
Dang.
try to hold him like this. Can you hold him like that?
Oh,
Regrip. I'll let you regrip. You're good. Now hold him. Just like that.
ow.
Okay, I got him. There you go. Hold him good. There you go. Now smile. 1, 2, 3. Good job, buddy. Sweet deal. What do you say to Mr. Wet? Well, you did, didn't you?
Yeah, he did.
You said thanks. Nope, 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 nope. Oh boy. We'll have a tangle fest in a minute. There we go.
The fish is like, I got you. You want
Yeah, I know.
all this up.
Right?
Got in there deep, didn't it?
Well, not too deep. It's the area got hooked was a little.
He wasn't putting up anything crazy either, man.
No, he looked a little.
When I let it go,
Yeah.
he wouldn't sit there. He didn't even like try to swim off.
Huh.
And I reeled, and he just kind of like, I was like, man, I think there's one on here. And then finally I was like, oh yeah, there's definitely one.
Yeah. You were like, I think there is. Sweet. Alrighty. Here, move your foot if you don't mind, Debbie. Just got to do this really
Are we
quick.
able to keep it?
Hold that.
Is it big enough?
Yeah, hold that. There you go. Got it. There we go. He could join his buddies there.
What you up to? 4 on there now?
Yeah, I think so. You can have 5. Thanks, Webb. That was awesome.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Webb, think I'm gonna just start heading.
Me too, man.
Oh, oh, got one. You want a reel, man, Devin? Huh?
Sure.
Or
Yes. You can have it.
okay, all right. Oh, a flounder.
Oh, look at you. You said you were done. There you go.
That is hilarious. I can't keep him. He's too small, but something like that. Look at that. Can you believe that? A flounder, folks. Look at that. On a purple worm. He's way too small, but that is pretty cool. And we're a little ways into the river, too. You gotta like that. The variety of things you can catch out this way is pretty awesome. Alright. He's quite the mess right now with getting him undone. He won't let go. Devin, what did I do with those pliers?
I don't know.
Right here, huh?
Oh,
Come on, Yoo-hoo. Yeah,
See the other side of it?
got it.
As soon as
Yeah.
you completed that sentence,
I know.
you hooked him.
He's white on this side, Dev. You want to touch him? Look at those teeth. Look at those teeth. See his two eyes? One eye, one eye. See, the eyes are on top. And he lays on the bottom like this, so he looks up. So when you jig up, you want to jig high enough for flounder, if you'll go flounder, because they're looking in a cone shape this way. And so that's their field of view.
Can I touch on this?
Absolutely. See?
Okay, it feels like that on that side.
Yep. And then that on that side. Pretty cool, huh? We gotta get him back in the water. Try to get me a quick little picture, you know?
Hey, Daddy,
I'm trying.
I don't want him to die.
I don't want him to either, buddy. I don't.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I'll take the picture.
You'll take it? Well, here, I'll tell you what, I've got it turned because of the sun. Here, yeah, you take the picture. Successful day. We made it back. Sweet deal. We're gonna get loaded. We're gonna load up here and get things squared away, and then I'll be right back at you. All right, check it out. So we got done fishing here on the St. Mark's River. Started our day off at the East River, down towards the lighthouse, and we moved a little more west. Actually loaded up, packed up our boat and everything, moved over to St. Mark's River, caught a few bass and a flounder on the Texas rigs is what we had rigged up. Hey Devin, say hey to everyone. He's giving you a nice friendly wave. So hey, like again, if you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're new. I'd appreciate it. Tell your friends, family, all that good stuff. Don't forget, what's the drink I usually drink during all my fishing trips, and comment below for that, and I will put names in a basket for a drawing on a free shirt. Let me know, and we'll catch you guys later. Hope to see you out on the water. Thanks for watching. Spangler the Angler.